Grasping wisdom. Understanding, a bird in the hand. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's packed with wisdom. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This saying might sound a bit cryptic at first, but it holds a valuable lesson about appreciating what we have. Let's unravel its meaning together and see how it applies to our lives. At its core, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, suggests that it's better to hold on to something you already have rather than risk it for the potential of getting more. The bird in the hand represents something certain and secure that we possess right now. On the other hand, the two in the bush symbolize something tempting yet uncertain that we might want to pursue. This phrase has a long history, with its roots stretching back to medieval times. It's been used in various cultures to teach the value of contentment and the risks of greed. In everyday conversation, you might hear it as advice or caution, reminding us to consider the value of what we currently have before chasing after uncertain opportunities. Understanding this phrase can help us make wiser decisions in various aspects of our lives. For instance, in financial decisions, it reminds us to appreciate stable investments over risky ventures. In relationships, it can mean valuing the connections we have instead of always looking for something better. And in career choices, it suggests appreciating our current position while carefully considering new opportunities. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush is more than just an old saying. It's a principle that encourages us to appreciate and value the present. It teaches us to weigh our options carefully and reminds us that sometimes, the greatest worth is found in what we already hold. We hope this exploration helps you grasp the depth of this phrase and apply its wisdom in your life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.